Most exciting part of the research is just figuring out things and doing novel and useful research. And in SUNY Oswego here in Mir Jafari lab, I have the opportunity to explore my ideas and learn new things. We're trying to make compounds that are thermally robust, so they withstand high temperatures for the longer time, and they don't have the current status quo toxic metals in them, so it makes it environmentally friendly. So we're trying to eliminate that with fully organic compounds that withstand 400 degrees temperature, Celsius temperature, for 96 hours. Love for chemistry was ignited in me by Mir Jafari, and I realized that I needed to pursue more, and that's why I stayed here in SUNY Oswego to do my master's as well, so that I can complete my research. My first year during my graduate studies, my research was published in a peer-reviewed article in Chemical Communication. Dr. Mir Jafari is very supportive. He involved me in all different aspects of the research, starting from the designing the experiments, actual synthesis, characterization, and final writing the paper. SUNY Oswego and Schneemann Foundation gave me the platform to do research and to learn outside of the classroom, because I realized that doing hands-on research is very crucial. My advice for anyone looking into graduate school in Oswego or just science in general: get hands-on research experience, start research as soon as possible. Join the lab that is outcome-driven, so that you will get both hands-on research, hands-on experience, as well as some results for your future career.